invasion of Russia continues, and
The future of money. Are you ready for the DeFi revolution? Why DeFi matters now. $80 billion total value locked. The global DeFi market surpassed $80 billion in TVL in 2024, signaling massive adoption and investor confidence in decentralized systems. Traditional finance disruption. Banks and financial institutions are losing their monopoly as blockchain technology enables peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Rapid digital transformation. Digital currencies and smart contracts are reshaping how we save, invest, and transfer wealth at unprecedented speed and scale. What is decentralized finance? Open and permissionless services, financial services built on blockchain technology, accessible to anyone with an internet connection without gatekeepers. No intermediaries required. Smart contracts replace banks and brokers, reducing costs and delays. Peer-to-peer finance. Direct lending, trading, and investing between users without centralized authority controlling your assets. Centralized control. Banks and institutions hold your funds. Limited access based on geography and audit. Slow transactions with high fees and intermediaries. Versus global permissionless access. DeFi removes barriers to entry. No credit checks or bank accounts needed. Borderless finance accessible from any device with internet. Decentralized central. You own your assets via wallets open to anyone worldwide 24/7. Fast, low-cost transactions powered by smart contracts. Key benefits of DeFi. Financial inclusion. Access financial services for unbanked populations worldwide. So that's 1.5 billion people who are currently unbanked. Get transparency and security. Blockchain technology ensures immutable records and enabling security for all transactions. Higher yield opportunities. DeFi protocols ensure significant higher returns compared with traditional savings accounts, and asset control and ownership. Mountain full custody of all assets maintain full custody of all assets through personal wallets without third-party controls. Risks and challenges in DeFi. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Code exploits and hacks can drain funds from protocols, with billions lost to security breaches. Regulatory uncertainty. Evolving global regulations create compliance risks and potential platform restrictions. Market volatility. Cyber assets experience extreme price swings, analyzing potential losses in DeFi positions. User errors. Lost keys, wrong addresses, and scam approvals have no customer support to refer them. DeFi strategies for wealth growth, yield farming and liquidity mining, private liquidity to DeFi protocols, and earn rewards through trading fees and taking incentives, token incentives. Decentralized lending and borrowing. Lend your crypto assets to earn interest and borrow against holdings without intermediaries. Token staking and governance. lock tokens in to secure networks with passive income and participate in protocol governance decisions, platform diversification, special investments across multiple DeFi platforms to maximize risk and maximize opportunities. Real-world DeFi success stories, compound finance, revolutionary lending protocol, enabling users to earn interest on crypto deposits with over $2 billion in assets supplied by the community. Uniswap exchange, decentralized exchange that transformed trading by eliminating intermediaries, processing billions in daily volume through automated liquidity pools. User testimonials, thousands of users report achieving 5 to 20% annual yields, getting financial independence through accessible DeFi protocols worldwide. How to get started with DeFi. Set up a crypto wallet, download MetaMask or similar wallet to securely store and manage your crypto assets, acquire cryptocurrency, purchase crypto through reputable exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, explore DeFi platforms, research trusted DeFi protocols like Aave, Uniswap or Compound before investing. Start small and learn. Begin with small amounts, learn continuously and never invest more than you could afford to lose. The future outlook, what's next for DeFi? 2024-25 institutional adoption era, increased institutional investment flows into DeFi's protocols as regulatory frameworks become clearer and compliance tools mature. 2026 traditional finance integration. Banks and financial institutions begin integrating DeFi services, creating hybrid solutions that bridge traditional and decentralized systems. Thirdly, beyond mainstream infrastructure, DeFi becomes core financial infrastructure, powering everyday transactions, savings, and investments for mainstream users globally. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Start your DeFi journey today. If you'd like to speak to me about anything you've heard or seen on this video, don't hesitate to contact me. That's Alan at alpusonline.com. My telephone number is 07539141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257. Or you can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE.